Understanding the role of a physical therapist. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore an exciting and essential profession in the healthcare industry: the role of a physical therapist. Whether you're interested in pursuing a career in this field or just curious about what they do, this video will give you a clear understanding. So, let's dive into the world of physical therapy and uncover the significance of this vital healthcare role. A physical therapist, PT, is a healthcare professional who specializes in the physical treatment of patients to improve their mobility and reduce pain. These experts use a variety of techniques, including exercises, stretches, and specialized equipment, to help patients recover from injuries, surgeries, or manage chronic conditions. Physical therapists play a critical role in rehabilitation, making a significant difference in the lives of their patients by helping them achieve greater independence and quality of life. Physical therapy covers a wide range of patient needs and conditions, from sports injuries and post-surgery recovery to stroke rehabilitation and managing chronic illnesses like arthritis. Physical therapists are equipped to handle a diverse set of health issues. They work in various settings, including hospitals, private clinics, sports facilities, and nursing homes, providing tailored treatments to meet the unique needs of each patient. Becoming a physical therapist requires extensive education and training. Candidates must complete a Doctor of Physical Therapy (DPT) program, which typically takes about 3 years after undergraduate studies. Afterward, they must pass a licensure exam to practice legally. The journey to becoming a PT is challenging but rewarding, offering a career dedicated to helping people lead healthier, more active lives. Physical therapy is not just about rehabilitation. It's also about prevention and maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Physical therapists also provide valuable education on how to prevent injuries and promote overall wellness. Their expertise in body mechanics, ergonomics, and exercise can help individuals avoid future health issues, making physical therapy an integral part of holistic healthcare. We hope this video has shed light on the crucial role of physical therapists in healthcare and inspired those interested in pursuing a career in this field. Physical therapists make a real difference in the lives of their patients every day, helping them to recover, improve, and maintain their physical abilities. Thank you for watching, and remember, whether you're recovering from an injury or looking to maintain a healthy lifestyle, physical therapists are here to guide you on your journey to better health.